What's going on YouTube? Fishing Vibes TV back at you with another banger out here on Loch Reservoir with my boy Max behind the camera squad. Alright, and we're about to go flip, throw some top water baits, see if we can get on some Loch Raven biggins. Alright, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get it.
When this is fishing between the red blowers prohibited, you mean like right here? I really don't know what today is.
11th. Yeah. Go tell your friends. You can just stop the, yeah. Oh, nice. Three more casts. All right, it's time. This wind is not cooperating. Oh, that's the beach right there. Yeah. This toe's not even that big. Kinda good.
See how it just stands straight up and sinks?
Yeah, I seen it.
It's not supposed to do that.
They just hooked a small one. City's almost back here. City's almost to the bridge. That's crazy. All right, bro, have fun. You too. Let me know if you have any luck.
Yeah, I'll send you pics.
All right, bro. Yeah, I could go for a 3-pound smallmouth.
Seen that, Jones?
Yeah, right up behind me. Came all the way up to the boat. That was probably a 20-incher. Yeah, whole fish. I just reeled it in, and he was like right up behind it. Battery number 2. Taking big poops. Got one.
Oh yeah, I got cheese, baby.
Oh my!
That was nice size too. Seen that. Yeah, he was under there too.
Damn it!
What did you get him out of?
Just lost one.
I just missed one back there.
There's some bullets back there.
That's crazy. I was like a 2.5.
Oh, yeah.
I just got bit. Oh, got one. Yo, get the net, get the net, get the net. Get that. Get the net, hurry up, yo. Oh. Nice one, yo.
Where is it?
Yes. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
That is a nice one.
Yeah, that's like a 3.
Oh yeah, I was about to say it's like a 3-pounder.
Yes, bro. Look how he was hooked.
Barely.
Barely. Fish bump right there.
Barely.
Yes.
The barely
Yes.
fish. Yeah, pushing 3. Hold it up again, like long way. Oh. Yeah, hold it up like that. Yeah, that's ice.
Just got a nice 3-pounder. We're about to wham on the Connect scale. Just a little midday update. Well, not even midday, mid-morning update. It's been pretty slow. I lost one on the jig, flipping wood. Got this one flipping wood on the jig. Had a couple of other fish chase some stuff, but just it's been tough so far. But hopefully we get on a little pattern, start getting bit. So let's put this Connect scale to use. It went up to 3, but it's at 2.9. So hey, I'll take it. Let's go get some more. Let's get a release on this guy. Ah, yeah. Go tell your friends. This wind is brutal. Oh yeah.
I'm not supposed to feel wind through this jacket. I swear I feel it on my back.
So complicated. Yeah, I so got bit right up in there. It's like the perfect little lay down right there. No. Pretty cool though. Other than the wind.
He was right too about it, like just being like.
So it's pretty windy. We had to get out of the wind. Headed to some other spots. About to look around the jig a little bit again. And yeah, cheddar cheese. About to go flip this tree right here. And you guys are gonna see it. Slow down and fix the jig up in there. Yeah, this is a lot of wood, bro. Everywhere.
That's a bass.
No, it's not. That's carp.
Is it?
Yeah. That was a bass, but that was like a 10-pounder.
I was about to say it's like an 8-pound bass.
Good one, Patrick.
Oh, yo! He came over the log for it, bro. Was ready to eat it. Just missed it.
Swam away under the log.
Super shallow. Where is it?
I don't know.
You got a pickerel, bro.
Oh, finally, yes.
Hold on.
Got him. Yes, finally.
Yeah.
Literally what I wanted. This is what I wanted the whole time.
First one ever. What?
Some crazy spider creature. I don't even know what it is.
That's crazy. You gotta go straight. Yo, get the net, yo. Get the net, yo. Holy. Get the net.
PB?
No, but it's big. Get the net. Hurry up. That's like a 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Get it.
Oh, I had him. I headbutted
Woo! Woo! That's a fatty.
This is like a 4-pounder.
That's a big one, bro.
Feel it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it in the net.
Another one right on the side, bro.
Yeah, red's looking like the color. Come on now.
That's a fatty. Yes.
Yeah, I'm curious to see what this one's looking like.
3, 7. Solid fish either way, guys. It's over 3, pushing 4. Nice fish. Almost 4 pounds. It's like 3.8 or 3.6 or something like that, in that range. Let's go get some more. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Thanks for eating.
I appreciate you.
Thanks for munching. Thanks for munching.
What was one of them, what's it called?
There she goes.
I don't know how to swim,
I don't think he knows how to fish right now either.
and I don't know how to fish.
Another move. See what we can do. And yeah,
About to poop my pants.
that's what he's doing. And you know,
About to poop.
in his pants. But, oh my God, that was a big one, yo. Bro, that was a big one, yo. Oh my God. Smashed it. That's crazy, son.
Tossing a jig.
Yeah. That felt insane.
Victory screech!
Come back.
Oh yeah, brother. Could be the biggest one of the day.
I gotta keep him pinned, yo. I need you to. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Could be the biggest one of the day. Oh, that's a big one.
Yes.
Probably close to 3, pushing 3.
Yes.
Oh yeah, brother. Oh shit.
Yes. Yo, he came back, yo.
It's the same
Oh
one?
my God. I love you. I love you.
It's gotta be the same one.
Choked. Choked. We're probably ready to catch a couple more back here.
See it?
Bro. Did it. Scott, I don't know, probably about a 3. We'll put him on the scale in a minute. Literally, he missed it. I was spazzing out. Came right up there, right up against the wood. Water is chocolate milk. I don't know if you can see, but it's chocolate milk. So we got 3 bass total today. Hopefully we can pull out 2 more. We're right by the launch. Probably about to leave real soon. If not, we still had a pretty good day. Can't really complain about that. So
Yeah, I think you should. You've been frying them up on it.
got one. Oh,
Jesus Christ.
sorry, yo.
What do you spit that out?
Yeah. That was another 3.
It looked kind of big.
But watch, there's right be a bunch of them back here, yo. Should be.
Oh, no, my bad.
Oh, just. Oh my. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Fishing Vibes TV. Bangers all year, all next year. Bangers all the time. Cheddar cheese, bacon, broccoli. What you got for him, Max? Turn the camera on. You tell him what you got for him.
Hit those bells. Make sure you're subscribed, brother, because you're gonna miss the good content, brother.
Fishing Vibes TV, and we're out.